y'all, this video is sponsored by Curology because it's a new year and I'm trying to get serious, girl. I'm trying to get really serious with my skin. I just want to make sure it has everything it needs to stay juicy, plump, glowy. Now, typically I would sit at my computer and I would search for 7 days and 7 nights on what products to get. And then when I get them, I'm hoping and praying that they would work. I can skip that part, okay? Because with Curology, I can just message my dermatology provider and be like, what's the tea? What can I do to amp up the moisture this year? Everything is subject to their consultation and they have the kind of final say with what they prescribe to you. So I ended up adding 2 things. One, the hydration serum. This one about going, girl. I love this stuff. I'm about to put on some right now, actually. Like, look at that. Yup. I also added the brightening vitamin C serum because my friends be talking about vitamin C all the time. And then I was like, okay, let me find one. I'm sitting there searching around. Girl, Curology got one on the website. I added this to my routine. It also has azelaic acid in there, which helps to visibly even tone, smooth texture, and calm redness. So my routine is still simple as ever. We just boosted up the moisture. In the morning, I'm washing my face with the gentle cleanser. I use the gel moisturizer and the hydration serum that really just moisturizes my skin. And then I put on the vitamin C serum underneath my sunscreen. And that's it. At night, it's even simpler because I love doing my little 1-2 boom and then going to bed. After cleansing my face with the gentle cleanser, I go in with my custom formula. What is that? She look different, don't she? Yeah, she usually is in a white bottle, but this is actually Curology's anti-aging treatment. It still has like the custom formula in there, but it's supposed to also reduce like fine lines and wrinkles and stuff like that. So it has the tretinoin in there, the azelaic acid, and dexapanthenol. This is custom down, you know what I mean? You need this to be prescribed to you. Truly what I credit for getting rid of my dark spots and the texture that I had all on my forehead. I will never forget like what that felt like. But listen, we're all good now. And if I wasn't good, it's nice to know that I could just message my dermatology provider and you know, everything, like I said, is subject to their consultation. They have the final say with all that stuff. If they deem it necessary, they can change your custom formula up and see if that works. But after I use that, I go in with the hydration serum and the gel moisturizer. For a limited time, new customers can get their first box for just $15. So if you want to sign up, go ahead and sign up. Click the link in the description box to get more information. Shout out to Curology for sponsoring today's video. Speaking of the video, let's get back into it. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. Today's video is just gonna be a, oh hell no.
What the fuck is that?
Let me wipe this off too, hold on. Honestly, that was a perfect intro because today I'm gonna be doing an apartment tour, but it's not gonna be one of them.
Wait, what that mean?
It's not gonna be one of them, ho. Beautiful pictures of all this stuff in my apartment and all that. No, I don't have anything. I've been living here for a month and a half. I moved in. Y'all know I was doing Vlogmas, so I was sitting down every single day doing work.
Day and night.
All my stuff was in boxes. I was living out of a suitcase, sleeping on my sofa.
Living off a coffee from a pot none of you want to touch.
I'm still sleeping on the sofa. And you're gonna see that. I started unpacking a little bit just to kind of get my life started, but I haven't really gotten into the furniture yet. I gave a lot away. I gave it away.
It's safe.
My dining table, coffee table, TV stand, bed, my Helix mattress, my Helix Luxe mattress, the best mattress I've ever slept on in my entire life, the bed frame as well, my desk, a couple of carpets. So much is going and all I have is this. And I'm realizing it's going to take me a little bit of time to recoup all of that furniture because a lot of this stuff costs money. But I do want to get an apartment tour out for you all. I think the apartment itself is really cool. As you can already see, we have some fun ceilings here. I did just eat, so sorry if I have chicken and broccoli and sweet potato because that's all I know how to cook.
Don't do corned beef hash.
Y'all was with me when I was in the mud looking for apartments in Philadelphia. I'm now outside of Atlanta in a much slower, cooler place. I was looking for things like high ceilings, a little bit of character, you know, something interesting other than this. I'm so sick of it. Why it be the same countertop, the same cabinets. This apartment, after the summer I had in Philadelphia, I can cry tears of joy. I'm so thankful to God for leading me to a place that is safe, sound, like I could tear up, girl. And it's just about every single thing that I've wanted in an apartment while I save up to purchase a home. So we're just gonna get started. I'm in the living room, so we might as well just start here. Like I said, it's not cute right now. It is crazy. But this is it, okay? We got concrete floors. It's pretty spacious for a living room. I'm so thankful. We have the exposed, whatever these are called, duct systems for the air conditioning, which I think is cool. It gets industrial. But then we also have wooden ceilings. New, old, mixed together. That's a fun juxtaposition.
I know you don't. You don't know any astronomical, prodigious, voluminous, colossal words.
I've had my sofa that I've had for years. I literally got it from Home Depot like a long time ago. You know, it's okay. It's been my bed. I literally have this is where I've been sleeping. Girl, I had to push these aside, girl. Move, get out the way to give me a little bit more space. My carpet from CB CB2, I think it's from. It's really soft. It's actually, oh, actually, never mind. It's not soft. It is kind of like a really cool speckled design. Kind of over the gray and black and dark and dark. I really want to get like a new couch that's a lot softer, especially after having slept on it for the past month and a half, and a carpet that is more of like a pop of color. I need that in my life now, especially now that I have gray floors as well. It's just too much. The rest of my furniture is still here. I have this vase that I think I got from either West Elm or CB2. It has a few hair products and I need to get that
What's in there?
situated.
Okay.
This chair that I got from IKEA, and I think I also got that pillow from IKEA. It's really nice, actually. Yeah, super nice. This chair I got from IKEA from the as is section. It was like $50, even though I think it costs like over like $150 or something. I don't know.
You just made that up.
I love these beach ball pillows that I got. They were very expensive. I got them from a vintage shop in Phoenix. A whole bunch of stuff over here, girl. I don't even know. This is just stuff that's out because I don't have my coffee table and my dining table and stuff to put all this stuff up. But I did just pick these up. These are cute. I'm just buying accessories for my eventual furniture because I know I'm gonna get a dining table and put it maybe like over there somewhere. Got a picture of me. Cute.
Gonna take a quick selfie. Oh, broke the camera because I'm ugly.
TV. During Black Friday, they got me bad. Like, I had my eyes set on the S95D from Samsung. Really great TV, and it has this kind of proprietary matte coating that disperses the light, so there's no like glare. You know how you be watching TV and you be like, how do I get in it? Because you see your face in the scene.
Your body like this.
Glare on your TV is so bad that you see yourself right there next to Viola Davis.
No, I'll be back in Atlanta tomorrow. Yes. Hey.
That's how this TV is. So I got the S95D during Black Friday. It was like $1,200 off, and I was like, yeah, let's do it. I sat with it all of December, and I realized that
That's okay.
I didn't want it.
You can keep it.
That was too expensive of a purchase for a TV. I don't watch TV that much for me to need that quality of a TV. It was like $3,000. And I don't got that money, girl. I literally bought it on a credit card. I returned that hoe. I said, you know what? Let's make better decisions in 2025. I returned it, got my money back. So there's that. But I do have my beloved Sonos speakers. These are truly the best. I have this. I have the subwoofer. Sub Mini is what they call it. And then I have a pair of the Sonos. I don't know what these are called. I think these are Sonos SLs or Sonos 1s. They sent me these, so shout out to Sonos for sending me those.
Thank you, and I really appreciate it.
But I purchased the subwoofer and the Gen 1 bar. I've had these for years, and it still sounds so crisp. It's like a movie theater up in this hoe. Imagine listening to Cowboy Carter on this. Spatial audio, everything is everywhere. It's crazy. I have my lamp from IKEA. IKEA, I love these little bulb lights, bro. This in the Fado. I think this is the Fado, but just clear. But there's also a Fado lamp that's opaque, if that's the word, because I never know how to use the word opaque. I always forget, because opaque to me sounds like dark, but maybe opaque means that you can see through it. I don't know. I don't know, girl. I have my cute decorative boxes here. If you know, you know on Patreon. There's something in there. All my pillows that I purchased over the years from CB2, and I think this one literally is from Target. It's so soft. This one too, also from Target. Some pictures of Beyonce. I printed this out on my own volition through literally UPS or something. No, I think it was Office Depot. You can get these kind of vinyl velvety printed things, and this was like $80 or something, and it's huge. It's like 3 feet tall. I have some sculptures back there I got from like this cute clay studio in Philadelphia that I went to because I was going to sign up for a class, but then Philly decided to grip me like this.
Oh my God.
And strangle me. But I did purchase this from a clay studio warehouse sale. I forget what's even in here. I'll show y'all that at a later date. This right here, I don't even know what box this is. What is this? There's a wall mountable swing lamp in here, so I gotta figure that out. I think I'm gonna spray paint it and make it look cuter.
Can you put this more like shinier and cuter?
Like bunch of stuff in here that I still haven't unpacked. Board games and candles and bookends and a printer.
Okay.
Girl, I got this a long time ago at Home. Y'all know that store At Home? I think I'm gonna put it in my closet at some point. Somewhere that has like high foot traffic, but without shoes on. I don't even know what's in there. That's the issue. I don't know what's in those boxes.
What is in there?
I have my,
It would be nice to come back to a clean house.
my boucle chair from CB2 that was like hella expensive, so I could only afford to buy one at the time, so I only have one of them. But my idea is that I'll get a dining table that goes like right here, and then I want to have a lot of fun, really comfortable but interesting chairs that go around it. I think that'll be, I don't know, kind of fun, whimsical. So yeah, that's it, girl. There's the living room. Now here's the kitchen. Y'all see the sink? It's right there, okay? That's where I do the live streams. This is a really big kitchen. I ain't gonna lie. Like it's huge for an apartment kitchen, right? Sometimes I do feel like it could be organized better. Like the sink is so far from the oven. Maybe the sink should have been in the island. You know? But hey, it works. I'm thankful that I have all this counter space to do stuff. But it would be nice if that was back there. I can do the live streams from here. We have a white refrigerator because y'all don't be taking y'all probiotics and stuff. You know, one of my deal breakers for apartments was that it needed to have one of these. Like I drink water so much all throughout the day. I love coming over here and just like getting my water and moving on. I always have a cup out, literally. If a refrigerator didn't have this, I literally wouldn't get the apartment. But this one is great. It's double-sided. I don't need a ton of space in a refrigerator typically. I just need to put my little meal prep stuff in there. The issue comes when you need to bake a cake, and to stick the whole cake in there. That's when it's like, okay, we need more space. But we have an oven with a glass top and a microwave. And this microwave, look, you can turn the sound off. It doesn't have to beep.
Were you silent or were you silenced?
For some people, that's like ridiculous. You want to know when your stuff is ready. But for me, for sensory purposes, it's very nice that this doesn't. Girl, you know I got my stuff out. I have some oil here from Elements that you actually have to put in a bowl of warm water for it to dissolve so you can get it. But this stuff smells so delicious. What I really like about this kitchen is the cabinets. The cabinets, yeah. Such a cute color. You know what I'm saying? Like something different for the girl. Even the backsplash, it's like just a little bit more fun. Even though it is millennial beige, there's some character here that I can work with. These aren't permanent. I don't want really this stuff to be on top of this counter. I need something by my door. I need space over here. But that's my kitchen. I also have these bar stools here that I need to get rid of ASAP.
What? No.
I literally sat right here. I had my whole computer set up right here for Vlogmas, and I sat in these hard ass chairs for 8+ hours a day.
It's gonna be so bad.
Editing videos for y'all.
That shit hurt.
I need to get rid of these hard chairs ASAP. I don't really use this bathroom. I don't even have a shower curtain on there yet, but you know, it's just a bathroom. A bathtub also, which is nice. I want to get into my like weekly bathtub situation. I did buy some Epsom salt. I'm preparing. A little mirror, it is off-centered. I don't know why that's the case. That's kind of odd. I just noticed, like, why is this way over here and the mirror's right there? I guess it's just because the sink is over here. But y'all, that's all the hair products that I own now that I'm not using right away. So maybe I'll go through that and I'll let y'all know like what I'm using and what's in my hair product stash. And this is the bedroom.
Oh, sweet home. I'm back.
There's a little bit of an echo in here because I literally have no furniture, but this is it. And it's a good size. Like I can put a king size bed in here and not feel suffocated. I will still have space to move around. I have my suitcases in here that I still have clothes in, some stuff for the kitchen that I haven't figured out how to put away just yet. These 3 bins were all a bunch of hair products, girl, that I just went through and got rid of. I have a mirror here that I gotta figure out where to put. Super cute. Ooh. IKEA. See, like, there's not much. Oh my God, I don't know what to say because there's nothing in here. There's a floor and a ceiling. Oh my God, they gonna think I don't got nothing. They gonna think I don't got no, like, money.
I just realized I'm broke and they're laughing at me.
They gonna think I'm poor.
But I'm not.
What am I supposed to do?
I need somebody to help me!
Anyway, here's my closet. It's not huge, you know, it's just this and this.
Wow.
Although there is this thing in my closet, which is nice. I actually put my hair products in there, the ones that I actually do use and I'm gonna be grabbing for. And there's this up here. And then here's my shower. There's a stand-up shower in here, which is nice. I've talked about this before. These are from IKEA. They're like $3.95, $5. And you can just suction cup them hoes onto your bathroom wall, and then you have like extra storage. And it's nice because you can put them anywhere. You can put them up there, down there, wherever you want to do. This is the bathroom. This is where I film at. Hey everybody, blah, 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 blah.
Hi guys, so da-da-da-da.
And you would do it too for a check.
And you would do it too for a check. I was an employee.
And I was going to be employee of the month.
And that's on period.
These are pretty much all the products that I'm using right now. I've been trying out whole body deodorant. Stinky!
You stink, Blade.
No, this literally stinks. Not my underpits, but this literally smells funky. Talking about some toasted coconut. Baby, this is toasted booty. But it smells good when you put it on. I don't know. And it does work. Slather. I just added this to my routine for my back knee from Topicals. It has retinol in there and a bunch of other stuff. And excuse my hair.
Excuse my hair.
My nails look crazy right now. All my Curology stuff, I do use it. I use the serum. Look, it's about half empty. Vitamin C serum, cream moisturizer, or the gel moisturizer. I just ran out of this, so I started using the cream one. And then I also use Black Girl sunscreen, and whenever I can, my Fenty Butter Drop. You wanna play a game? It's called Put This in Your Mouth. You need that. My mom got me this a long time ago. This is not even like this cologne. It looks crazy because it actually spilled out in one of my bags. Yo, it's a body wash and it's shaped like the Blue de Chanel, which I have, but it's in a plastic bottle. And my mom literally got this from the Chanel store. My retainers, what? This real life, this is real life. That's what I use. And then Joe Malone. I didn't like this at first, but now I low-key love it and I put it on every time I go out. Like, it smells good. And obviously my beard balm and all that other stuff.
Yeah, you got a beard. Shave your beard.
I actually just organized all my products. Whoa! Literally all Curology, and then I have some stuff from LMS that I'm gonna use for my neck. Topicals eye patches in here, faded. This I'm gonna start using too. It's a cleansing bar, also for acne. Plenty of more Curology stuff so I never run out. What's in here? Smaller skincare product, and then what's in here? Just like makeup, mostly makeup stuff that I would grab quickly. I had to put this little table down here to house my appliances because I would put them up here and then everything would get wet. So I got my hair dryer down here in that jukebox. It was open box at Best Buy and I could not figure out how to get this to work for like 3 months. I was so upset and now it works.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
I figured it out. So there's that girl. Last but not least is my office, which looks crazy right now. The girls on Patreon have already seen all this stuff, but this is where I'm housing all of my clothes right now. These are all the clothes that I own here. In here. We did a closet clean out over on Patreon. It was real fun. We did it live. So I was like trying on clothes and the girls was rating it. That was really fun and we're gonna do part 2 of that soon. So if you're not on Patreon, go ahead and I'll put the link down below. I've been editing off of like a picnic table.
It was really bad for her.
Girl, I don't have a desk yet. It's just messy here. I have like my equipment in here. You know, my light. There's not much to say. I don't know. This is it, girl. That's the apartment tour. I hope it didn't disappoint you, girl. If it did, you can go ahead and cash at me and I'll move out and I'll move into a place that is to your liking. But until then, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank y'all so much for rocking with me for so long. I'm so thankful that I also get to show you all this because it feels like a real true cap on the story that was told during Vlogmas of my apartment woes. This feels like a fresh new beginning. I'm so thankful. Even as I sleep on this sofa, I'm so grateful. To just have a space that's like quiet. There's not disturbances every 5 seconds. I feel safe. I have access to water. You know, I'm thankful. So I'm happy to have shown you this kind of blessing that's landed on me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And until that next one, bye.